Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about clipper circuit. The clipper circuits are the circuits that clip off or removes a portion of an input signal without causing any distortion to the remaining part of the waveform. These are also called as the clipper, clipping circuit, limiter, slicer, etc. The clippers are basically wave shaping circuit that controls the shape of an output waveform. It consists of linear and non-linear elements, but it does not contain any storaging element. The operation of a diode clipping circuit, the operation of clipping circuit, first one is a forward bias and another one is a reverse bias. The basic operation of diode: in forward bias, the diode allows current to pass through it, clamping the voltage. But in reverse biased condition, no any current flow through the diode and thus voltage remain unaffected across its terminal. Clipper circuits are basically termed as a protection device. In electronic device or voltage sensitive and voltage of large amplitude can permanently destroy the device. So in order to protect the device, the clipper circuits are used. And then we are going to discuss about classification of clipper circuit. The clippers are basically classified into two types. First one is a series positive clip circuit and shunt clipper circuit. In a series clipper circuit, it also classified into four types. First one is series positive clipper circuit, series negative clipper circuit, series positive with biasing, series negative with biasing. In shunt clipper circuit, it also classified into four types. First one is shunt positive clipper circuit, shunt negative clipper circuit, shunt positive with biasing, shunt negative with biasing. The classification of clipper circuit, the first one is the positive clipper and negative clipper. In this circuit diagram, first we applying the positive input to the circuit means it clip off only the positive waveform. In negative clipper circuit, it clip off the only the negative signal and the output become in positive waveform. First one is the series clipper circuit. In the series clipper circuit, it classified into four types, and first one is the series positive clipper circuit. Here the diode is connected in series with the output. So the positive half of the input waveform, the reverse bias the diode. So it acts as an open switch and all the applied input voltage drop across the diode. So it providing no output voltage for positive half of the input waveform. In negative half of the input waveform, the diode is in the forward biased state. So it acts as a closed loop switch. So there is no any voltage drop at the diode. Hence, the input voltage will appear across the resistor. So the output of the circuit. Next one is the series negative clipper. In series negative clipper, the positive half cycle of the input waveform, the diode become forward biased. So it ensuring the closed circuit, due to which the current appear across the resistor of the circuit. In a negative half cycle, the input waveform, the diode now it becomes the reverse biased condition. So it acts as a open switch. So there is no current flow to through the circuit. So it providing no output of the negative half of the input waveform. Next one is the series positive clipper circuit with positive biasing. In this circuit, the diode is in the forward biased condition concerning the battery. In positive half of the input waveform puts the diode in the reversed biased condition. So the diode will conduct until the supply voltage is less than the battery potential. So battery potential dominates the supply voltage. The signal appears at the positive half of the output waveform. But the supply voltage exceeds the battery potential. The diode is in now reverse biased condition. So there is no further current flow through the diode. In negative half cycle, of the input waveform, the diode is in the forward bias. So concerning both supply voltage and battery potential. Hence we achieve the complete negative half of the output waveform. The case of negative biased circuit. In this, we applying the negative biased circuit. So the diode is in the reverse biased condition due to the both supply voltage and battery potential. So the cutoff completely positive half of the input waveform. But during the negative half cycle of the input waveform, the diode is in the reverse biased condition due to the supply voltage, but is reversed biased by the battery potential. So initially, when battery dominates the supply voltage, the diode is in reverse biased condition. So supply voltage become greater than the potential, battery potential. So the diode will automatically come in forward biased condition. Thus the signal starts to appear at the output. Thank you for watching video.